Inter. This is me, Teacher Alma, and this is my baby, baby Jeff. Don't cry, baby. Hi, Ninang Lia. Hi, Ninang Hazel. Yes, hi, Phil Inter. Happy anniversary. Wow, it's been 10 years already, and um, I'm so glad, guys, that I've been part of Philanter family. For those who do not know me, I was in Philanter for more than 3 years, and actually Philanter is my first company. When I graduated in 2007, yeah, Philanter adopted me for like 3 years, and it was a lot of fun. I miss Philanter, I miss the people, I miss the students. Um, yeah, teaching in the Philanter was not really that easy, but it was really challenging, especially if you're teaching 100 and 101 students. So yeah, it's fulfilling. I miss teaching really, and yeah, guys, I'm so glad Philanter's still there, and I hope you can still manage to teach a lot of students, especially non-English speaker students from Korea, Japan, and I heard that you have students already in from Thailand. Mr. and Mrs. Che, hi, I miss you guys. Thank you for liking my pictures, my baby's pictures. But yeah, for now, I have to go checking. My baby's here. He's hungry already, and so yeah, that's it. Thank you. I've been part of Inter for quite a long time, and it was a lot of fun. Thank you. I love you, Inter. Happy anniversary. Bye bye.